Mastering the moment. Understanding time to go. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we are diving into a common phrase that often causes confusion, time to go. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some variations so you can use it correctly in everyday conversations. So, let's get started and unpack the essence of this simple, yet profound phrase. Time to go is a phrase that combines the concept of time with the action to go. Literally, it means that the moment has arrived when one should depart or leave from a place. It is used to indicate that the present moment is suitable or necessary for leaving. Think of it as a polite notification or a cue that an event or stay has come to its end. Saying goodbye. When a visit or a gathering comes to an end, you might hear someone say, "Time to go," to signal that it's the appropriate moment to leave. At work or school, in professional or educational settings, this phrase can indicate the end of a workday or class session. Public transportation. It's frequently used to announce impending departures of buses, trains, or planes. In movies or TV shows, characters may use it to signal an urgent need to leave, often adding drama or humor to the scene. It's time we left. I think it's time I headed out. We should be going. I've got to run. These variations all serve a similar purpose but can provide different levels of formality or urgency to the situation. It's important to know that saying, "time to go," might not always be appropriate. For instance, if you're at a formal event, a more polite phrase like, "I must be on my way," or, "I should say my goodbyes," might be better suited. In some cultures, it's customary to give ample warning before actually leaving, while in others, time to go can be more immediate. Be mindful of these nuances to avoid seeming rude or impatient. That's all for our look at time to go. Remember, whether you're wrapping up a coffee date or ending a work meeting, understanding when and how to use this phrase can help you navigate social situations with ease. We hope this explanation helps you feel more confident in your English speaking and listening skills. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't forget, when it's time to end a video like this, it's simply our time to go. Happy learning!